Okay, today I want to show you how easy it is to create your own digital papers using our template. So you're going to open up the template and there's going to be a page with the instructions at the beginning. So you just want to make sure that you read through all of these, and of course always create a duplicate of this so that you have the original to go back to. And then you'll see we've got 4 different layouts of digital papers that you can use today. And this is just how easy it is to change the little butterflies here out to your own designs. You just want to click on the side that you want to use, and then we want to select everything by going to Control A. Now there's 2 different ways that you can do this. We can go to picture format, change the picture from a file, go to your clip art, and make sure that you're using high quality clip art or pictures so that you're going to get a high quality result. And there you go. We have now just changed that little blue butterfly out to this one here. Now we can click off of it, and now you can see that everything has changed nicely. If you wanted to, you can hit design, format, background. If you wanted to do a different color, so say we want to pick up the blues from the butterfly here, then we can change the transparency to make it lighter. And then you can just play, if you wanted to do the gradient, you can do it like this, and you just play with the stops to get a different effect. Or you can just go with a solid fill, select your color, so you can select it from here if you like. And again, if you want to make it lighter, then you can just make it lighter like that. Or you can just stick with the white background. Now to save this, all you do is File and Save As. We're going to save it as a JPEG. Okay, put the title up here. And then you're going to click Save. Okay, I've already got, I'm going to change the name, so that's just telling me I've already got that one with that name. So we're going to save, and now it's going to say all the slides are just the one. We just want this one. And then it's going to save. Then we just want to go into where we have it saved. And then we can open it up and it's ready to go. Right, now if you click on the right click and go down to properties and then go to details, you'll see that the sizes remain the same. So this is 12 by 12 and we've got the 300 DPI. Now if you don't get 300 DPI, there's a couple of links on the instruction page of how you can fix this. And remember, I'm using Office 365 on the Windows 10. And then you can just follow those links and it'll tell you a couple of easy fixes to do that. One thing that you do want to make sure is that when you go to File, Options, and then this window pops up here, and just go to the Advanced and make sure under Image Size and Quality that we've got this set to 330, and I always put a check mark in the Do Not Compress Image folder, and that is going to help the quality. It doesn't mean that it always will save at the 330. Again, you need to use high quality clip art to get a high quality result. All right, so that's how we do that, and we've got the 4 different designs with the different directions in here again. So you just click on the page you want to do, Control A, and now we can do this by the shape format. Go to Shape Fill, Picture Fill, and then we can change it. Let's just change it to the moon on this one. And now you can see we've got a click off of this, and now we've got the different texture there. Right, so that's how simple it is to create your own digital papers using our templates. If you have any questions, let me know.